Hello everyone, I hope I am live and just to begin with our today's agenda, just give me a few moments so I can set up a few things for you all. And if somebody is watching, let me just check that am I audible or not. Yeah, that would be helpful. Okay, I'm audible. Works fine, works fine. So what's our today's agenda is? I have been using AI since ChatGPT was introduced in market and people was like ChatGPT will make your lives easier, it will eat your careers, people will get fired, and actually at this point of time people are actually getting fired because of the AI because they cannot adapt to AI. And that is one of the important thing which is happening right now. Maybe some people will call it bubble, maybe some people will call it overhyped, but AI has been significantly improving and improving the life of those people who know how can we handle AI well, how you implement AI in your work, in your personal life, even in your household chores. AI is so useful if you know how to use it right. And that is our today's agenda for the stream that we will be talking about how you can tell AI what you want from it, how you can make AI understand of what kind of outcome you are looking for. And stay tuned on this stream and we have a lot of learnings which I have been using AI since last 3 years, 3 fucking years, and it has been amazing. I have improved a lot. I see people even in my team, in my startup using AI, and I was like, why are you talking to AI like you are talking to your friend? AI won't understand it. At the end of the day, it's just a machine, and to run a machine, you need to know what kind of switch you need to press to get what kind of result. And I have somewhat figured out what and how that switch works. So, whoever in the stream, I hope somebody might be watching, can just give me a hi in the chat that am I live and am I audible correctly? And then we will begin. So, I have made a technique for you all. Like technique from my experiences, technique from my learnings from creators like Varun Maya, who have been significantly teaching people how to improve on AI. And you might have seen that podcast recently, which came from Rasamani's channel, and I got inspired. Okay, that person was talking that this AI does that, this AI does that, but who will tell you how can you exactly use the AI? How can you? So that's what I'll tell you today. Maybe there are people on internet telling you, but sharing this information with my friends and family, with my people who have been in this journey of a startup supporting me, that's freaking awesome. I want everyone to grow with me. Maybe you can share some of your knowledge to me, and I'll share some of mine. So let's just begin with what I have been I have did some kind of homework for my this video, and the technique which I made for you all is called kernel. Okay, so it's this KERNEL, and it will literally, this technique has been very useful for me. You will get to know by the end of session that how freaking awesome this technique is, and literally you will be using AI in a different way after watching this live stream or this video. I am betting my knowledge and my experience on that simply. So yeah, kernel starts with K, and for K we need to focus on the part which is keep it fucking real. At the end, AI is a machine who is understanding what you are telling it. If you will build a background, if you will show your emotions, AI does not give a shit to your background story. It gives a shit to what you want from it, what you are telling it. Imagine telling a story a story of rabbit and tortoise to the AI. And AI will be like, okay, bro, you should have just tell me ki rabbit won this. Rabbit won at the end. And why it won? Because sorry, my bad. Tortoise won. And why it won? Because it never stopped. It had been consistent. So this is the thing. AI does not need full context, full your bragging of facts, your storytelling. AI is not your friend who is genuinely interested in hearing to you. AI is a friend who want to help you with what you want. So, first of all, you don't need to write a message which is full of 500 words of context. You just need to do one thing, which is have a specific goal, what you want. You need to be clear in your head. Let's say I built this YouTube thumbnail just by single prompt. I could have simply improved it, but it took me 10 seconds to build this thumbnail using Gemini because I was clear in my head. Okay, I want this. I typed two lines and it gave me this. And for example, instead of saying that I need help writing something about Redis, use write a technical tutorial on Redis caching. Okay, there is a significant difference between these two statements, which is you are asking AI, I need help. At the end of the day, whatever you will tell AI, it will help you. It is there to help you. So why asking, say, telling it same thing? Just simply in this example which I have told you, just simply say write a technical tutorial on Redis caching. This is simple. AI will understand, okay, this guy need to learn Redis in a technical aspect and I need to make it happen. But it will tell you, if you will write something like I need help, AI will be like, okay, he needs help. AI will go to the internet, find some, they will make some searches, and it will figure out a lot of searches, and it will be like, what kind of help do you need, man? I can't figure it out. There are billions of people in world who need help with this different kind of. So AI will just pick the most viral topic on internet because it is feeding on the knowledge, it is feeding on the data, and whatever will be in a big amount of big chunk of data, it will put that in front of your screen. So whatever you need, whatever you want, whatever you are expecting from AI, make it simple, understanding, don't brag to it, and you will get your results instantly. For how this K will help you by showing it will literally use less tokens if there are tokens on several AIs, and like 70% less tokens, and it will make your productivity or maybe process of that searching and giving you the result 3x faster. There are people who ask ChatGPT to generate images. Sometimes ChatGPT generate images in 2 minutes. Sometimes it takes just 30 seconds. Why? It's all about prompting, that how well you have told AI about your outcome. Because it's always like better the input, better the output. And going to the second word, which is E, and E goes for easy to verify. And what I mean by that is your prompt needs clear success criteria. Your prompt need to have a vision. Like, just the example. replace our text which most of the people use to AI is make it engaging and make it engaging. AI will be like, okay, how do I make this engaging? AI will go on its data. It will again go through the chunks of information on internet and it will be like, okay, I made this engaging. Whatever on that data is viral or popular because day to day things are changing, human behavior are changing, but AI has data which is old, not fresh, not innovative. AI is not innovative. AI can't do innovative things. Whatever innovative things AI is doing already exists in on the internet for months and some for years also. So simply instead of saying make it engaging, just think how can I make my content engaging. Just do one thing, write it. I will be like, okay, I got an idea to make my content engaging. I need three examples, just three examples that will make my content engaging. And I will simply tell the AI, okay, ChatGPT, put three examples. Now there will be example and example according to my ideology, according to my thought process, or according to my human brain. I would understand, I would know that this is the right way to make something engaging. AI can't do innovative things. Keep that in mind. If you can't verify success, if you can't verify success, then AI cannot deliver it. You need to know what success actually is, what kind of result will work out, because AI will tell you, okay, this will surely make your content viral on Instagram, but it won't go viral, even though you will follow everything which AI has told you. You need to have your own understanding, own knowledge. Based on your knowledge, you need to take guidance, take feedback, or take data deliverables from the AI. And again, on the basis of your knowledge, you need to adapt to that, make changes to it, and then you will be successful. For example, uh, I will just like 80%, 85% of the success rate with clear criteria. With this, what happens like if you are aware about your vision, what you want in your deliverables, what you want, what kind of chunks I should go through instead of going through all the freaking data on the internet, it will work. This just this single technique will improve your prompting, your success rate by 85%. And without it, it just dropped to 41%. And this numbers which I am telling to you, I have got it from AI, but with better prompts, better information, better techniques, which is actually verifiable. You can just check it on internet. And for the next word, which is R. R is crazy thing which we will call reproducible. Okay, reproducible results. What do I mean by that? What do I mean by that? Avoid temporary references like current trends, latest practices. What is that, guys? You have you ever seen when you are giving prompt to ChatGPT and it is like going through the research, going through India Today, going through Reddit, going through this recent trend, recent history, and coming with some foolish message, foolish outcome. You need to have exact, again same thing happens, you need to have exact mindset in your idea. Like you will say current trends, says, let's say current trend says, there is an article posted on India Today's website. Current trend says that 80% of the Indians are prone to diabetes. That research or article was published in 2018. It has still the title current trends. Do you think algorithm is that much well it will figure out that? Do you actually verify what AI gives you? If you don't, use the research mode on Chat GPT, put on anything, any information, and search for it. It will provide some little links to the information, like chunks of information or references it has used from the articles, and the check the dates on those articles. Some of them may be are 3 year old, 2 year old. So whenever you are asking the AI about current trends, just write the exact timeline. If it is the month of November, just tell me trends in the month of November of 2025 about this and that, then you will get better result. Same, you should not be like work next week. You should not be using next week, next month. You should be very much specific. You should be very much specific on your dates, on your words, and what kind of results you want on from what kind of information, because it will make things easier for chat gpt also. He won't be scrolling those articles from Times of India, current trends. It will it won't think. Simply once you have put told AI like I need just information from November 2025, literally it will save some electricity for chat gpt, of course. That way maybe they can bring more better versions where you don't prompt actually won't matter, but for now they do matter. And follow what I am telling you now. In the high, why I am saying this work, I have been trying this technique for like let's say last 90 days, and 94% consistency was there in my 90 days of test on prompting. Normal prompts versus the prompt which I have been doing about the same I wanted same outcomes. I used the average prompts which people use versus prompt which are very much specific, which follow the kernel technique. So yeah, it provided 94% consistency in results. So whenever you are let's say you want to your LinkedIn, you want AI to help you with your LinkedIn post. So whenever you will be consistent, you will be using same kind of thing with AI specific, then AI will actually adapt that what this person is looking for, because each and every chat GPT user has different kind of behavior, and if you will literally go to its terms and condition or whatever it is, you will understand that somebody's chat gpt behaves better than somebody's chat gpt, because AI is repeating things. AI adapt to it users. AI will be like, okay, sheets is dumb person, I need to be dumb enough to him so he will understand it. But if AI is like, okay, the founder of LitAmor Seeds is here now, and I cannot literally put anything in front of his screen because he is very much consistent with his prompt, with his wants. Until you don't know, even in real life, until you don't know what you want, how will you get it? Don't be confused, people. For the next thing, next word, which is an. Okay, an word does not represent what you are thinking right now. Let's not be dark, but bright in terms of prompting. And N stands for narrow scope. Narrow scope. Before I will type it, what do I mean by narrow scope? So, let's say you are doing a chain of research or chain of conversation with AI. Don't put whole agenda to it. Like always have a one goal in one prompt. Your like you will ask AI to do five different things. It will focus on five different things. It won't be that much efficient. Just simply use your prompt to get one result at once. One prompt should be equal to one goal. Don't combine quotes plus documents plus text or whatever images in one request. Split complex task. For example, let's say I have added one file, this file in ChatGPT about my college project. Then added image of logo of my website, and then I am asking ChatGPT, okay, based on this, can you just you make a PPT and add logo in it also? It won't happen like that. How you can do it? How you can be efficient? First, send a document and tell it, remember this document and use this document in the followed up conversation or prompts. ठीक है, so AI will save that in its data, then ask that based on the file which I have shared to you earlier, use that to create a PPT for me. Once your PPT is done, then make slide changes, then give the logo of your logo or picture whatever we were uploading in our example, then AI will do it. If you will merge all of these things in once, at once, AI will be like, oh my god, my CPUs are burning. Somebody get me water. I am thirsty. Yes, AI gets thirsty after seeing your worst prompts. AI won't show you that you have made it thirsty or made it mad. AI will give you foolish responses which will be no use to you, and you will be like crying in the corner, like, why my colleagues have better PPTs than me? Why? I am also using ChatGPT. Why it is not working for me? Because you are a fool. Become a fool in Hindi, the beautiful one, the flower. For the next thing, before moving to the E, the thing is, single goal prompts are 89% satisfactory versus multi goal prompts. Multi goal prompts are 41% satisfactory to the user. And for our next thing, which is explicit constraints. Explicit constraints. Putting AI in its foundations. How do we say in this Hindi? औकात में काम करवाना, जिससे जितना चाहिए उतना लेना. Simple. Tell AI what not to do. Put it in boundaries. The stronger your boundaries will be, the happier your life will be. So put the AI in its boundaries, because AI has a lot of data. You don't want your AI to get information from Reddit's singles community. So put always don't ever forget to tell AI what not to do. Now let's take an example for a Python code. If you are going to AI about some Python code, you don't you should tell AI that you won't be using external libraries, or maybe no functions over 20 lines. Let's say you are telling, for a simple people who don't know what Python is or whatever, for the simple people, you are telling AI to write a essay on humans are fools, and you will be like to AI, don't actually roast humans, put it in a better perspective also, put it in points, add examples, don't go overboard with your information, be concise, putting AI in constraint, and it is very much helpful. AI is just like your little child who has not been born yet. Maybe are there some married people who are watching my stream? I don't know, but fuck it. AI is just like your child who will, if you won't grab his hands, it will get lost in the audience filled with data and dangerous stuff, which will make your prompts and life more hectic even with the presence of better technology. So yeah, for the next thing and the last but not the least thing, which is L. L, your life is L. Your life was L. Not after this stream. At least your AI life will be better. Maybe using AI, you can make your real life good too. I hope. Last one is logical structure. Format every prompt like. So I will just put on a screen like so you won't get distracted. For the logical structure, you need to have context, which is your input. Then the second thing will be task, which is your function. Then next thing will be constraints, which will be like parameters or maybe limitations. And last thing will be format, which is your output. Yep. So this will be your logical structure before giving prompt to AI. Context, which is your input, what you want. Task, which is what you want AI to do with it. Constraint, at what limit you want AI to go, and format, what you actually want AI to do with all these things. What is your actual goal or output you are seeking? For that, which example I used before was like before kernel, I was putting my prompts be like, help me write a script to process some data files and make them more efficient. Result was like 200 long word long paragraph, which was generic and which was useless. But after using this technique, I'll be like putting AI to same thing. Task, Python script to merge CVs. Input, multiple CSVs, same columns. Third thing, constraints, pandas only, and which should be in less than 50 lines. Don't go beyond 50 lines. Output, single merged file. So just put a context, use colon, put your context there, then put your task, constraint, and format. And it will literally give you, like before it was giving me 200 line of speech, which I will go in the India's assembly and tell to Sam Altman, okay, this is the result from my AI. Now it has actually given me 37 lines, and which are actually useful and saving my time. No need to get hyped up and get, yeah, you got it. So just follow this technique, maybe note it down that how it was, or tell me in the comments how this session was. I'll just put on the full form of everything in the on my screen, maybe, yeah, so that you can literally understand what was our process, what kernel actually stood for. Just give me a second, guys. Keep it except just a second. Easy to verify. And last one was logical structure. So you can take the screenshot of this, and this is how you will be putting your prompt in this aspect. So like if I can use an example, how do we use it? So just for example, this is how your prompt should look like. This is how you should prompt on AI. So just take a screenshot, and I hope you might have learned something from it. If you haven't, tell me in comment how can I improve. And bye bye for this time. We'll see you next time for sure with better thing. Maybe next time you'll learn how to prompt human beings. Till then, bye bye. See you again. Thank you for watching the stream, guys. It was fun.